In this tutorial, I will show you how to sew a shirt collar. We are going to need the fabric of your choice, fusible interfacing, preferably woven interfacing, scissors, and a button. For this exercise, you can download the pattern for free in the box link. Cut the pattern pieces following the cutting lines. The pattern indicates the direction of the fabric and the number of pieces needed for each one. Make the cuts corresponding to the notches. We will cut the folded fabric following the grain line. There are 2 pieces for the band. Repeat the same procedure with the collar piece. We will also have 2 pieces. Cut the interlining the same way. 1 piece for the band and 1 piece for the collar. Press the fabric pieces. To apply the interfacing, check which is the side with glue. You will recognize it because it's the rough side. That's the side that should go against the back of the fabric. Press with the iron for about 15 seconds without moving it from its place. Lift the iron and press at another place for 15 seconds without moving it. Repeat throughout the piece. Once the interfacing is fixed in place, you can move the iron freely and press on both sides. Repeat the same procedure with the collar piece. Facing the collar pieces with right sides together, sew by the 3 straight edges at a distance of 1/4 of an inch from the edge. Trim excess fabric from both corners. Turn the piece over, fixing the corners and rectifying that the seam doesn't go backwards. Press well to keep everything in place. Top stitch along the edge at 1/16 of an inch from the edge. With one of the pieces of the band the right side facing up, place the finished collar matching the notches in the center. Top it with the remaining band piece good side down. The band has 2 notches in the center and 1 notch in each corner. Those notches should match the finished edge of the collar. Sew at 1/4 of an inch from the edge as indicated by the red lines. Trim the excess fabrics from the curves. You should make triangular cuts towards the seam, being careful not to cut any thread. If you have pinking shears, you can use it instead. Turn your band inside out, adjusting the curves. Press everything in place. Top stitch along what you just saw at 1/16 of an inch from the edge. If this was a real shirt, you are ready to sew it to the bodice. For demonstration purposes, I will make the buttonhole now with my home machine. Now, sew the button in place. And here you have the finished collar. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. For more tutorials and patterns, please subscribe to my channel.